Unobhala thina sifuna unobhalo necontent thina sifuna unobhala thina sifuna unobhalo necontent thina sifuna unobhala kolokuthi sengikhona kolokuthi ungangena hey sanibonani kumelanga niyakhumbula ukuthi umsholozi wathi umuntu ongathi akenzi kahle uyamkhipha mbeka le celeni one side siyasebenza siyaphambili niyakhumbula ukuthi OSG yasebashintshiwe bangakhe ngenikhombozi baqala ugoba chef kwalandela bani ngazi noma kwalandela uArthur noma kwalandela uMaseko noma kwalandela ibani bathi niyakhumbula kwaba usihle ngubani yakhumbula kwaba uFloyd why laba abanye mabekhishwa kungade uyitoy angisho lutho angikho esayidini kaFloyd angikho esayidini laba futhi abathi uright ubaba I'm neutral mina I stand non-factional angena ama camp mina ngi1 bona be10 waslicer A1 be10 waslice ngimile nje lento engayingenele emkhontweni esizwe ngiseyona angashintshi uma unikwe position congratulations uma unganikwe position hand lakhe ingoma yami ngithema ngiqala ngathi sifuna unobhalo necontent I don't see any problem because Floyd Shivambu has been promoted to the national parliament, and if he does well a parliament usemathubeni amakhulu ukuthi angaba izinto ezinkulu lapha. And from my point of view, that was a good move that was made by our president, Mr. J. Zuma, because Floyd has a lot of experience when it comes to the National Assembly. So he deserves to be there. Those abatoyitoyayo, those who are busy saying Floyd must hands off Floyd. Kahle nisakhumbula ukuthi nangena we only have one command emkhontweni wesizwe, of which is President Jacob Zuma. What do you mean by that? So if ever ubaba decides ukuthi yenze kanje nina shuthi nina ngeke nimvumele, we'll take those people as abantu abangazile emkhontweni. Shuthi khona into enizele. And bear in mind ukuthi whoever ongena kwitoyito yayo iqiniso lizovela ukuthi leyo toyito iphumaphi. Should it happen kutholakala. One thing about ubaba was once intelligence had intelligence. Uzoyithola. You plan against him, he gets to know. And he will deal with you decisively. So guys, I guess bambeni discipline. My command. Masibambi discipline. Let's remember ukuthi sizele nemkhontweni wesizwe to liberate. Most of the people bakhohli ukuthi bazeleni, and I am trying to understand ukuthi ilahleke phi lento kwavuka ama camps iqale nini. When did it started? Because all of a sudden beshintsha ngenomunye kushintshwe ngenomunye without any problem. We are given a chance to lead. They pull you ngenomunye kanjalo up until siyongena ngo2029. So what is the problem now? I'm trying to understand. Yini lenga discipliniwe, because angazi ngimuzwe Floyd ekhuluma. Floyd ngimbone defender nje lamaxoka kaANC ekhuluma wa defender, and he's going to be good in parliament because kumele siqine first kwi parliament. Those people with team yase parliament yamdinga Floyd too much. So guys, stop this thing of yours yokuthi nifuna ukuthi nikhoze izinto ezingekho. There are a lot of divisions manje. Makuthiwa kwenziwe I-program asiyike program ngoba yeka ba size kumsholozi guys. Hello, wake up. Sizoyenzani emkhontweni wesizwe? Thina we will work with those who wants to work. because we understand the mandate. Sisaphambili, sisabambe umthetho kaMsholozi. Wena kuma frictions okwakho lokho. Thina sisabamba into eyodwa ukuthi uMsholozi sambhekile nangu sisambona phambi kwethu. Asikambona umunye njengomsholozi noma ocisha afane naye. Sisabona umuntu oyi1. Unenkinga ke wena, stop that thing of yours. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Awube comrade consistence. Hlala entweni eyi1 ube neqiniso. Ungafiki urecruit abantu in them konto wesizwe. And siyababona labantu abangena emkhonto nesizwe abazo recruit abantu. Siwash, siyakubona. Siwash. Sine position asina position asina ndaba. Asina ndaba futhi ne position. Futhi asifune position. Mina nje I myself, I for one. Angifune position. Ngingedwa ngizoloke nginitshela amaqiniso ngila. Uthi yabo manje ku right lokho. Vele iqiniso lithi kade kushintshwa kuyashintshwa kuyafakwa. Bekungakaze kube ne issue. What's the issue now? Hayi man. Because asazi manje noma uyu Floyd ohlohla abantu noma yibona abantu abangcolisa igama lika Floyd. And nalento kulona ibhizinisi Phumlani for SG, Phumlani for SG. Nizongcolisa igama lika Phumlani because ubaba uzothi shothi uPhumlani lo hlohla abantu ukuthi bathi SG. Kanti uthola ukuthi uPhumlani akahlohli umuntu. Phumlani uyithulele. Angazi nimbone ngena ekhuluma ini stop taking ama videos akudala nofake manje. Mina ngishaya kwasani mina. Nginandaba ngifuna ukuthandwa mina. Mina ngifuna uMK awine 2/3 majority. Mawunenkinga ngoWhatsApp ungithuka nginandaba. 071 130 7808. Bafowethu asiyazini into size kumsholozi la.